In this video, I'm going to show you how to find x and y intercepts of a standard form of an equation, and then I'm going to show you how to use those intercepts and graph. So take a look at the function that you have here. It's negative 3x plus 6y equals 18. Now I know technically that standard form is not supposed to have a negative x value, but this is what we have to start with, and this is what we're going to graph. So on the previous video, we learned that to find an x-intercept, I need my y value to be 0. So I'm going to use this function that we have, negative 3x plus 6y equal to 18, and I'm going to substitute in a 0 for the y value. So negative 3x plus 6 times now 0 equals 18. What's going to happen is this term is going to completely drop out because it's going to be nothing. So negative 3x plus nothing equals 18, or just negative 3x is equal to 18. Now I can solve for x very easily by dividing both sides of my equation by negative 3, and I get an x-intercept of negative 6. And if this is an x-intercept, that would be the point negative 6, 0. Now we're going to do the same thing, but our process is going to be exactly opposite. We're going to substitute in for a y-intercept, the x value will be 0. So my original equation, negative 3x plus 6y is equal to 18. If I substitute now in a 0 for x, it will look like this. Negative 3 times 0 plus 6y is equal to 18. This x term is now going to completely drop out because it's nothing, because 3 times 0 is nothing. So if now I only have 6y equal to 18, I can solve for y by dividing both sides of my equation by 6, which would be the value 3. So my y-intercept is going to be 0, 3. We're going to plot those 2 points on the grid here below. So negative 6, 0 is this point here on our graph. So from the origin left 6. And my y-intercept on my y-axis is going to be up at positive 3. And now if I take a ruler or a straight edge, I can connect these 2 points with our line. And that is the standard form equation, negative 3x plus 6y equal to 18, graphed with intercepts, because that's what standard form is mostly used for, finding x and y intercepts. So we have plotted our 2 intercepts. That's taken care of. We have drawn our line, and we labeled our line. I guess I could write down the point, negative 6, 0, and 0, 3. Well done.